Why?
Get to it, Eggface.
Well, You know my name is Dr. Eggman! I was hoping I could crash Tails for a few days until my robots strand me in this wilderness.
Well, you certainly could use a roof over your head. And roof. How do I know you won't just capture me and Tails while we're sleeping?
I swear to harm you or your fox friend during my stay. I didn't even bring any weapons. Here, check my...
Eggman?
Oh, hi, Mark.
Salmon eggs. I asked for egg whites. These are and this salmon is mouth. What is this, prison? I am.
Do you feel scared without a home? Do you feel alone? Are you eating your feelings?
Away from me!
Guys, if Eggman needs to stay, he can stay. Who knows? He might not be so bad after all.
Hi, babe.
Yeah, can I have a dozen red roses?
I'm dizzy, and I have serious short-term memory loss. And I have serious short-term memory loss. And I have serious short-term memory loss. And I have serious short-term... Now, Sonic, do you have something you'd like to share with Eggman?
No.
Let's frame our statements with, when you do this, it makes me feel this.
No.
Sonic, I think someone here could go for 2 spoonfuls of forgiveness, washed down with a tall glass of friendship. What do you think?
No. Eggman, if we give you a second chance, will you promise to shape up?
You bet! Scrubbing all the dishes with my sponge and sauce. 37, 38, 39, triple star bonus kazoo!
Well, it's getting late. Time to hit the hay.
Oh, just one more game? Well, that's what good roomies do. We have fun.
Orbot? Cubot?
They're robots. They don't get tired because they have no soul. Hey.
He's right.
Wait! Don't leave! Just hang a little longer. I'm so lonely. Please.
Still hanging with Eggman? How many hours of sleep did you get?
Worries.
You see, I kind of tire you to the point of destruction of my fortress as an excuse to live with you and to the point of exhaustion. So you'd be too tired to stop Obliterator Bot! Obliterator Bot, destroy Island Fortress!
Fortress. Destroy fortress. Destroying island fortress.
What? No! That's not what I said!
He must have a weak spot.
Maybe there's a clue on the ground. This soft, bed-like ground. Oh, right.
Eggman, you built that thing. How do we take it down?
There, and there, and there, and there, and there.
Oh, come on. All right, Amy, Knuckles, Sticks, distract that metal monstrosity. Tails and I are on the kill switches. Eggman, you'll have to show us how to activate them. Eggman? Eggman?